I'm called Irene Odmanrk-Hall, live in Sweden, work as a teacher and an EFT practitioner. I do mindfulness and relaxation and fear of public speaking and things like that. I'm on the Trainers Training, and what brought me here is that I really want to take myself and EFT to the next level. And seeing as I met Rangana before, I'm full of trust and I was really sort of on straight away. I just wanted to come because I knew it was going to be really good. It has been really good. I think it's so many good ideas, so many tips, but above all, the confidence to really step into this new role, as it were, and do it. I felt I've gotten a lot of enthusiasm, joy out of it, but most of all the confidence and so many practical tools, so much I can actually use straight there in the workshop room, in the training room, and also with my clients actually. My ultimate dream is to quit teaching altogether and run workshops on all kinds of subjects, and also I'd like to become an expert on EFT in Sweden. Oh, words fail me. She's really lovely, and I'm really impressed with her knowledge, her structure, her loving way of keeping the space for us. It's like a good combination of mind, heart, body and spirit to create a really safe environment for learning, because you don't learn just with your head. Everything's got to be there, and Rangana brings everything into the teaching room. It's been a great course. I feel full of energy, tired, but really good is what I feel.